Do you need to create complete web applications, mobile applications, or desktop applications that meet business requirements in no time? Do you need to achieve set development requirements faster and at a low cost? Then Radsystems is for you. Radsystems Studio is an all-in-one rapid application development software that aims to simplify the application creation process for individuals and organizations. Powered by a modern development-based framework, with an intuitive interface and drag-and-drop components that can be configured to suit the user's needs. Radsystems allows you to generate applications through PHP Laravel, Python Flask, Node Express.js, ASP.NET Core frameworks for its backend, and Bootstrap, jQuery, Vue.js, Quasar, Prime Vue, React, and Flutter frameworks for its front-end, while generating applications from MySQL, MS SQL, SQLite, Postgre, and Oracle database. Radsystems Studio generates applications that let you add, view, edit, search, export, and print data on your web pages with an option to aggregate your data using our powerful report builder, charts, and calendar components. Radsystems Studio uses modern industrial frameworks and components that give you all the necessary tools to customize the visual appearance of each page, from theme selection to page layout with the ease of drag and drop. Security issues have been covered as codes generated by Radsystems Studio are not vulnerable to SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, etc., providing you the ability to password protect the access to your generated applications with robust security and role permissioning. Radsystems adopts an MVC design approach that separates user actions, templates, and business logic models, allowing for a clearly expressed contract between various application components, ensuring a well-ordered and efficient approach to the project development. Easily integrate other packages and libraries to your application, or integrate your existing system or service to Radsystems generated application through an API by creating endpoints in Radsystems Studio. Radsystems software is also capable of publishing your applications from one codebase into a web application, mobile application, or desktop application. Get started with Radsystems today for free and develop applications in minutes. Radsystems, the world's most powerful rapid application development tool.